In this video, we're gonna see a Vizard AI review. Vizard AI is a user-friendly video creation platform that uses AI to help you quickly make engaging videos from text, images, or clips. It's great for marketers, educators, and content creators who want to produce professional-looking videos without advanced editing skills. It has intuitive drag-and-drop interface, AI-powered script-to-video conversion, wide variety of templates and styles, supports adding voiceover and subtitles easily, and its fast rendering and export option makes it the best option. But some advanced features require a paid plan, limited customization compared to a professional video editor, and occasionally AI-generated content may need manual tweaks. So, Vizard AI is ideal for beginners and those needing quick, polished videos with minimal effort. It saves time and simplifies video creation, but it may not fully replace detailed manual editing for pros. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.